So here we have a question 5 minus 2, then in the parenthesis 5 minus 2, then 2, right? So now let's solve this question by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 5 minus 2, solve this parenthesis, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So multiply 3, then multiply this 2, right? Now we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one another multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. And both multiplication have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. First we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 5 minus, now 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 multiply 2. Now one subtraction and one multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 5 minus 6 multiply 2, 12. So 5 minus 12 is equal to minus 7. That's our final answer, right? Minus 7 is correct answer. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer.